Okay, this is Junior Jazz basketball. Matt McKay has the ball. Drives the basket. He makes the steal. Up to shot, but it's no good. The other team gets the ball. Dribbles down to the other end of the court. And the girl makes the basket, number 2. Number 40 is looking at the ball. Number 40 takes the ball out of bounds, passes it into number 21. His name is Noah. And here he comes down the court. This ought to be a good one, folks. There it is. There it is. He missed. And he puts it back up on the rebound and makes it. Number 40 is a hot shot tonight. What a guy he is. He slaps the coach's hand and a big congratulations. Okay, folks. That's all for tonight. Bye-bye.